gonna start with our basic step. Our basic step, frente e trás. Leaders, put your weight on the right leg, follows on the left. With this here, we're gonna do projection step back. Projection, and when you go back, we're gonna press, return. Don't do a wrong step. Otherwise, you're gonna always be behind. If I do use my heels here, or my point here, I'm gonna always be behind. So when I go with my basic step, you're gonna realize that I'm utilizing my point, pressure one, look to my point. I'm gonna almost suspension, but not too much. I'm not going up. You see that I'm not going like a pendulum here. It's not this. I'm just pressuring it. Once that is good, you guys gonna create a wall. Once my partner is here, resistance, and then I'm gonna be sending my partner back. I will be standing in place. Can I go forward? Yes, but then you guys go back to basic frente trás. So here is to create this compression, release. And you guys use your hands and then switch to your pistol guns. Once that is good, you guys can play a little bit with the structure. You guys can move up, right? You guys can even do a little here. You guys want it, right? But everything comes with this understanding of the pressure and releasing of energy. After that, my partner here, once the partner go back, hold step. Now I am with my left leg free, my partner right. I'm gonna go into my lateral. So leaders, we're gonna be changing the line here. So I will be coming from line A to line B. My hands here, my frame, give information for all the cross, and then release and do a pivot. Leaders, you step into the side, but we also keeping a relationship with your partner. That's very important here. So move, hold, step, move, hold, step. Once that is good, we're gonna do a simple open. So from here right now, you guys are gonna do a simple open. And you guys are going to invite your partner to a little bit almost to the same line. But you see that I almost didn't move. I was still almost in the same line. From here, first yo-yo. First exercise, I want to just you guys to wrap around. And next class, I'm going to bring a microphone. And then here, I'm going to wrap around as well. Now, we wanted to do this nice, like a spring. Compression, release. Okay? It's not like a wall. Don't be a wall here. Don't just stop the energy. Try to absorb that energy. So when I do this here, I'm like I can even use my hand here to hand compress. So we really think about absorption, releasing the energy. Good? Now for foot, you guys are gonna do move, hold, step. So both of us are with our weight on the inputs, and then we release, come back. Remember, don't bring just your partner to you, right? Doesn't feel good. Meet in the middle. You see, I come closer to up. Don't stretch your arms. Come close your arms. After that, we're gonna do a simple turn. Direction 2. Project going forward. Release, catch, and back to the basic. If you look into my foot, I'm keeping stepping here. I'm gonna do move, hold, step, move, hold, step. Other variation from us here, it's our bonus. So right now, leaders, we're gonna separate. I'm gonna do first leaders and I'm gonna do fouls. I'm gonna do side, come back, cross, side, cross, open. Move, step, come back to the basic. I'm gonna do projection, half, cross, turn, and move. Hold, step, meow, meow. Together, looks like this. 7, 8, move, hold, cross, move, cross, cross, back to the beat. If you want to add the variation meters, the same amount of foot, I do 1, 2, back, 1, cross, back, 2 by 5. Gabriel, can I do a turn in the middle? Of course you can, right? But you still need to take the same amount of time here. Yes? That's it for today. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate it. Really, 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 really.
Thanks, everybody. Let's do a picture together.
Let's do a picture.
Please.